Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mix ginseng and English mace RDR2 step by step. Go to a safe camp location, open your satchel, and select the herbal crafting menu to begin. Choose ginseng and English mace in the recipe list and confirm the mixture to create a health or stamina item depending on context. Use the crafted tonic immediately to top up cores before engaging in missions or fights to gain steady benefits. Accessing your satchel is the key step for combining ginseng and English mace in RDR2, so find a safe spot and open that menu. Navigate to the Crafting or Provisions tab, then choose the Herbs category to spot both items. Highlight the recipe to see exactly what the mixture yields, then craft it and place it in your inventory for later use during missions or exploration without risking depletion of your cores. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more clear, friendly guides that make play smoother. Quick recommendation: check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum if you want to spend less time cleaning and more time exploring, because decluttering your room frees up gaming focus. Voice control is delightfully lazy and practical. See the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When crafting with ginseng and English mace, be mindful of recipe order and ingredient quality to maximize effect, so always double-check before confirming. Pair the new tonic with matching provisions if you want overlapping benefits like boosted health and increased stamina recovery. Keep extra raw herbs on hand and save your game prior to attempts, which lets you test different mixes confidently without losing valuable components or progress during your play session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.